Hey guys, what's up? I'm Chris, and today I have a couple boxes of cookware sent to me from Chef's Foundry. We're gonna open it up, see what's inside, and then we're gonna test it out, see how good it is. Let's get right into it. Just so you know, I already opened these on a live stream, but the live stream went for about 3 hours, so I'm doing a dedicated video here. So Chef's Foundry ceramic grill pan. Well, let's just see what we got in here. This is the pan. These are all ceramic, which means there's no lead, there's no cadmium, there's no PFAs or PFOAs in any of this, which means it's a lot better for your health to cook on something like this than like a Teflon pan or something like that. Get rid of those. It comes with a little handle here. The handle goes on just like that, and now we've got a handle on a pan with like a little grill on it. This is the place where you want to put it for the induction, or you want your flame to be right here. You don't want your flame to go over. You want your flame to be right on there for best results. And this can even go in the oven, but you got to take the handle off, put it in the oven, and there you go. So that is the grill pan. I will have links below for all of this. And then here is the cookware set. This is everything that's in here. We've got a frying pan with a glass lid. Frying pan. So we've got 3 frying pans, 3 detachable handles, and silicone utensils. So let's go in here and check those out. All right, so the first thing, you get a little bag full of these. I'm excited for these. I'm always loving new utensils. And look at that. We've got spatula 1, spatula 2. We got a little brush for basting. And then we have another kind of like a scooper spatula. And these are all very heavy duty rubber. And they come in a little, oh, we got more. We got another. It's almost like a little spatty daddy, you know what I'm saying? Oh, there's one more thing in here. What else do we have? And another one, a littler one. So you've got all of these that come in that set. And these are, again, high quality rubber. Very sturdy, and the end is bendable, but the actual handle part is very sturdy. And let's see, here is the small pan with a lid. It's got a little air hole right there. You cannot put the lid, the glass lid, in the oven if you're going to put this in the oven, but it's perfect for on top. You can use an induction oven, or you can use a gas stove like what I have over there. Don't put it in the microwave. I don't even really need to tell you that. Okay, our next pan is, they're all pretty much the same, but they're just different sizes. This is perfect for, I don't know, pancakes, or, I don't know, grilling up some veggies. And then last but not least is the biggest size pan. That'd probably be better actually for pancakes. There's a handle for the big one, and you can literally take that off the big one and put it on the medium-sized one. So you actually get a handle for each pan, but they are interchangeable. And that's what comes in the box. Okay, so it says that these are, you don't even need oil or anything to cook. It's not gonna stick to it. That's the test that we're gonna do today. And when it's done, you heat it up, let it heat. Don't put a high flame on, make a medium heat. So let it heat up until it gets to a hot enough temperature, and then put your food in there. And then when it's done, don't just dunk it in cold water. Let it cool off a bit, and then wash it for best results. So we're gonna wash these before we use them, and I think I'm gonna cook with the big one. So big one to the sink. Pan is nice and washed, and what better way to test this out with some really sticky things. So I've got some vegan pancake batter. We're gonna throw some blueberries right in there. We're gonna make ourselves a couple blueberry pancakes. And I've got vegan egg, just egg. This is known to stick to my cast iron. It's still really good. I scrape it off, but we're gonna see how it does in the Chef's Foundry. Let's go over to the stove. This is the big burner, and make sure that if I have a little one and it's little, make sure the flame doesn't go around it, over it. Make sure it's on this part. So we're good there. And we're just gonna let it heat up. Turn that down to about a medium heat. Moment of truth. Blueberry pancakes. All right, let's see how it is. Let's try to turn that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't think it's quite done yet, but that came up so good. Let's let it cook for a little bit longer. All right, here we go. Let's try this out. Let's see how good they are. That did not stick at all. Nothing. Perfect flip. Here's the ultimate test. Ready? Look at that. That was a poor flip, but look at that. It just flipped. I didn't even need the spatch for that one. It just slides around the pan. Oh, and I just took a rag and it just came clean. So now, we're gonna use just egg. This stuff is known to stick. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. Just egg. See how this goes here. Let's let it go back in the middle. Now you can either make a scramble or an omelet. Now you see how I did this? I made it look like an elephant jumping over a fence. And you can see it bubbling and stuff, so it's definitely not sticking. Look at that. Look at that. It did not stick. We got some vegan goodness here. We got some vegan scramble. Did not stick to the pan at all, not even a little. And look at that, it just slides around in there. And we're gonna let this cool off before we clean. I don't even think we need to clean this. If you guys wanna get your very own set of these, right now they are on sale for half off. I will have a link below, as well as a link to my merchandise, like this shirt here, my ebook, and all that good stuff. Other than that, if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.